Thutha wa timu Kenya gucagurwo king'ang'a-ini ciumia igiri thiru, timu ino yambite kambi thukuru-ini wa St Mark's Kigali, kaunti-ini ya Embu. Gikundi kia ateng'eri ethi mwena wa arume na airitu aria matanyitwo gutungata thiini wa cross country ya kilomita 8 na kilomita 6 kurerika amwe ao ni mahuthirire maratathi ma Google niguo gukorwo makihitukio gukuruhanio thiini wa mahenya ma national cross country maria matabanairio mucini wa Eldoret ciumia igiri thiru. Akiaria na ithuĩ na njĩra ya mwanya, President wa Athletics Kenya retired Jackson Tuwei oigite uyu ti undu mugeni ateng'eri gukorwo makihuthira maratathi ma Google ma guciarwo, akiuga uthuthuria ni urathie na mbere kuria aria mekunyitikana na mahitia maya ona mahitia ma gukorwo mahuthirite nginya dawa cia kurirukia icoka megukorwo magikio nja wa kambi na ithenya riao kuyukio ni angi.
All those who are fielding are first of all properly documented, and they meet all the conditions that are required. That is what we are trying to do, to make sure that everything is done according to our requirements and according to the requirements of the International Federation, so that we are sure that the team that we will send to the world cross country is, we are first of all clear ourselves that they are the right people, that they have got the right documents, and even in things to do with being clean athletes, we must make sure that they are clean athletes.
Ngiribotera metha ya mathako ya Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mugure wa Karuiru.